Hi viewers, welcome to Blood Test. This is a continuation video of my previous video in which we have talked about the franchisee pros and cons. I've given the link above. Kindly see that video and come to this video for a better understanding. This video, I'm going to give you the importance or the pros and cons of starting up your own diagnostic center. Starting up your own diagnostic center means you're going to start your own business and you're going to build your own brand. It's a step-by-step process, but you will definitely have a great pride when you achieve success in building your own brand. So what are the pros of starting your own diagnostic center? The first one is that you would be building your own brand. Whatever effort you're putting, the time, energy, you're working, whatever you're going to put is for building your own brand. The second point is whatever profit you get, it can be 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 or lakhs of rupees, you needn't share the profit with anybody else, and the profit is going to be your entire gains. The third point is that marketing. You have to do marketing for any business you see. You have to market at least for 6 months to 1 year for that brand to get established at least in that locality. But when you're going to own your own brand and you're going to market for your brand. The entire marketing you're going to do is for building your own brand, and invariably within months time you will be an established center in your locality. The most important point is the next point which we are going to see. You will be knowing the entire process of setting up. You would have started from the scratch. You would build step by step the diagnostic center. So you would know everything about it and you can implement your ideas. You can set up the entire diagnostic center according to your visions, and the entire diagnostic center will be according to what service you want to give to your customers. You can decide what discounts you want to give. You can decide what protocol you have to follow. You can decide how you're going to recruit people to your center. Everything is done by you for your center, and there is freedom of entrepreneurship in setting up your own diagnostic center. So these are the positive points of starting up your own diagnostic center. There will be some negative points, or what are the cons of starting up your own diagnostic center. The first one, you are going to be a new brand in your locality. So for people to believe in you, to start coming into your center and experience your services, it might take some elongated or prolonged time. It might take 2 to 3 months for a regular amount of walk-in people to come into your center and experience your services. But if you give a good service experience for your customers, these people who have walked into your center are going to be your long customers, your loyal customers for a very long time. The second and the third important point is that you have to spend some good amount of money for both digital and also for the local marketing. You have to have a good financial backup to do this at least for the next 6 months to 1 year to build your brand. So a strong financial backup is also needed when you're going to start up your own brand. And the third important thing is, because you're starting up your own center, even it's going to be a small center, you would want to run some basic tests in your center. For that, you need to invest on some machines or instruments in which all these basic tests can be run at your premises itself. For this, there would be some capital investment which also needs to be done from your part for building your brand. These are some of the points you need to note or also know while starting up your own diagnostic center. What happens in building your own brand? You are the boss in every way. You have the financial and the personal freedom through this you can go to any limits, you can build your brand, and you can also give franchisee at one point. When you take up a franchisee, you are buying already a successful model. You get the blueprint and you work according to that. There is limitations of your growth. There is only gains what you can enjoy. But by starting up and setting up your own diagnostic center, sky is your limit. You can grow to any level you want, and you can also start giving franchisee of your own brand. If you want guidance, or if you want to set up your own diagnostic center, build your brand, you can definitely contact us. This is the growth to a definite success. For every success, there is a roadmap, and we wish you create your own roadmap. This is Dr. Lalita Sendal. If you like my videos, kindly like my videos and also click on the bell icon. Kindly subscribe my channel and also share my videos. This is Dr. Lalita Sendal signing off. See you tomorrow with another video.